Speaking of optimism, Tesla is optimistic about selling some cars in India. They have taken a step towards that reality. We talked about this recently, how I guess it was the transport minister. He had been talking to newspapers since December saying, hey, Tesla's coming, but people didn't really know, didn't have the details of the specs or verification that it was happening. Anyway, so now they do. Tesla has moved a step closer to its launch. They just registered the company in the country and have regulatory filing. So Tesla Motors India and Energy Private Limited has been incorporated as of January 8th with its registered office in Bengaluru, which makes sense because that's the tech hub, tech area within India. And the filing shows 3 directors, including David Feinstein, who is currently a senior executive at Tesla. So I guess he'll be taking the reins as far as the India operation is concerned. There's still not an exact timeline, but I know people are excited about this. Many have reached out to me. Where is Tesla in India? What's going on with that? Well, it's actually moving a little bit closer now. And another area that Tesla is doing business, China, they obviously have their Gigafactory over there, and they're kind of taking an interesting approach to the Chinese market.